Welcome back to your boy Destination Trucker. Thanks for tuning in to another video. Today we got a couple things we are going to do. One is we are going to take our kids. They are going to go play on their plasma cars. Got to get out of the house for a change, do something, and then I'm going to run probably to a Canadian Tire and get one of those bits. What is it? Spot weld bit, so I can drill out the spot welds. I know people are probably saying, why don't you just use a regular bit? Well, the spot weld bit does it properly so that I can re-weld it back in the new one, because I want to use the old one as a template. So anyways, with that said, let's head to the park. All right, so we made it to the park here, where basically you can walk around. They got the slides and stuff up there, but you're not allowed on it. They got tape up there, caution tape, right, to keep people off. I'm surprised they don't have it at the benches either, like caution, so you can't go on those. But I don't know, man. This is a little ridiculous. Like, I thought it was a fucking flu, right? Yeah. Anyways, with that said, the wife and one of the boys are down there. They're on the plasma cars. And then we got the young fella here. He's got a skateboard. He likes to skateboard, so. And then we have the baby right here. The baby. And sorry about the wind, folks. It seems like we come outside and it was not windy where we were, but here it seems awful windy. So, anyways, you can see the ripples in the water from how windy it is. Let's get over here and we'll take a look to see a couple of geese. Or ducks, whatever you want to call them. Oh, look, there's a couch pillow or whatever it is. That's what they do around here, right? They throw their couch pillows in here so they don't have to take them to the dump. Alright, so the kids have gone up the hill. They're going to come down the hill. We're going to see how fast they can go down the hill with their plasma cars. And if you folks are wondering about these cars for your kids, I'll probably leave a link below in the description for where you can get them. I believe we bought ours off of Amazon. They're just called plasma cars. So they're not sponsoring this video or nothing, just I'll throw a link. They're pretty cheap. I think they were like 40 bucks a pop or something. So, you know, they're pretty cheap and kids love them. They're pretty cool. You know, they're best on flat ground, but here we go. Oh!
Kids, they're going. Let's see what they want. Where are you?
That's just scary.
that's one of our
That
challenges.
is backwards.
Oh. What is he thinking he's doing?
Here you go, race Dad.
No, I'm racing you. I want to race you. Oh, okay.
Daddy broke it.
He broke the side of the wheel.
Alright folks, so we are back in the truck and we had a little fun there, as you could see. Those things, you know, like they're pretty good things. Like I'm over 200 pounds and it can handle me, but the only thing is going down those hills where you got the concrete little rivets, you know, where the concrete steps, it pounds on the thing and can cause damage to it. So we realized that, but you know, I fixed it and we can keep going with it. So what I'm trying to say is, you know, if you wanted to grab them for you and the kids to have, maybe, you know, in your driveway, or, you know, if you got a big driveway, or if you got like a school parking lot where with everything going on right now and there's nobody at the schools, or, you know, you can always use them in the big parking lots with the kids and kind of make races or whatever. Or same thing we were doing. You know, or even the kids, you can let the kids go down little hills with them, have a blast. With that said, let's head and grab that bit, see if I can't get a bit. All right, folks, so we went into Canadian Tire. I could not get the bit there. They were all out. And so here we go. I'm just gonna order the bit offline and be done with it. And that way, it probably saved me a few bucks too, right? Because I'm pretty sure I seen the bid. It was like, I don't know, I think it was like $7 online or something. I just figured it'd be more convenient just to go in and grab it instead of, and then I could get started. But whatever, we'll wait and order it. And we'll get tackling that rear end of that car. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I purchased recently, I don't know, a month ago, I guess, 2005 Honda Civic that I'm working on. So anyways, with that said, I am just gonna order the bit and we'll go from there. All right, folks, so we made it back to the house, but before I end this video, I gotta show you something that totally ruins my day. Well, it doesn't ruin my day, it just means that I'm gonna have to do some work. So let's see if I can show you here. Can you see that, folks? That is a screw in my tire. So what I'm gonna have to do is take this tire off, which isn't hard to do. Just pop this off and take off the bolts. Take this tire off. I got a spare tire underneath there somewhere at the back here. Right, we'll throw that on for the meantime. I have a patch kit. I'll pull that out and I'll patch that up. And it'll be good for, well, a little bit. I'm getting new tires anyways here soon, so these here, you know, I'll just make them last another couple weeks. But there's how my day is gonna go, eh? That's the start of my day. Basically just kicking the anyways, so that's it. I thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.